Alright, let's go. Second gear or third gear, two minus. Now I'm going to 2 plus, which is my fourth gear, and on to fifth gear. No, actually that's 6, 3 plus. So today I've just kind of climbed from around 400 to 750 meters in altitude, which I didn't actually expect, given that, you know, I thought this region in Pitsanulok and Loei are kind of mountainous, but I didn't expect it to be that high. But yeah, there's this pass that went up to 750 today, which was pretty tough. Yeah, but luckily it's just gradual uphill, which is not too bad. And then now I'm going around 526 in the space of like, what, 40 minutes? Yeah, it's pretty fun. It's almost like a Doisotep in a way. You climb out almost about 900 meters in altitude in about 3 hours or 4 hours. And then when you go down, you could do it for like 40 minutes. It's so much fun. So my problem with this road is that they've created this marker to sort of slow down the trucks. And I can't really go there because my tire is so small that it really shakes my wheels. Maybe it's good for larger vehicles for sure, but for bicycles I literally have to stick on this side. Now the problem with this side though is there's a lot of debris, small debris like little stones, sometimes like little pieces of glasses, broken glasses. It's just not good. But anyway, it's just like, you just have to like really watch out for it because, you know, most of the time they're literally fine. Don't want any of this flying off my bag. Okay, it's gonna go downhill again. Woo! Let's go! I don't know how far this is gonna go on for, but I'm hoping it's Loei because I've kind of had enough of flying uphill today, and this is so much more fun, you know. When you're cycling downhill like this, you're gonna have to be very careful because you're so close to the gutter, and you just don't know what you're gonna be cycling on. Like, there's some debris that could puncture your tire, so you gotta have to look for that. Now I don't know how am I gonna overtake this truck. He's going very slow. I usually go to the right side, or maybe I'll go around them. This is kind of the right protocol. And you have to always say thank you. Raise your hand. Oh, very wobbly. I'm sure he's gonna overtake me at some point again when this road gets flatter. Fair play to him. He's a small truck. He's carrying a lot of looks like chairs to me at the back of that trailer. He needs to be very slow, like I do. Oh, this is so much fun. Now I gotta have to focus now, you know, before I lose control of this. I'm gonna have to check. Still going. Well done, GoPro. Sometimes this GoPro just shuts off, yeah, when the battery is so close to finish. See, now you overtook me again, you know. Whenever I'm slow, like on a flatter road, you can then like zoom, you know. You can use this bigger engine. My horsepower is not enough to compete with that kind of truck. Anyway, this is what it's all about, you know. When you're cycling, just gotta have to enjoy the view. Take it all in. Never seen trees like that. Now let's see where we are. Loei is still a few kilometers away, you know, according to the map earlier. Okay, still far. Thought I was getting close. If it's all gonna be downhill, obviously I'll make it to Loei probably in like an hour. As soon as this gets flatter, I'm gonna find a place to stay. Because tomorrow in Loei, I'm not really in a hurry to get to Loei, you know. Because I need to check some banks and see if they can sell me some nice and crispy US dollars. That's what they're looking for at the Lao border. So when you cross the border, you'd be paying between $40 and $50. Depends on who's checking you. The funny thing is they couldn't really accept any US dollars that aren't crispy clean. There shouldn't be any wear and tear or tear marks, which is kind of odd because apparently the banks wouldn't accept them. To Loei and then udon tani. Huh? Udon tani. Thank you very much. Oh wow. Cup and wrap.